Hey guys, this is Amit and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This might be my first video. Today in this video I will show how you can create this cool Nike shoes poster in under 5 minutes. Alright, we are inside Photoshop. Open the PNG file. You can take canvas size whatever you want. I personally recommend 1000 by 1000 pixel. You can select opposite colors or related to image colors might be give you cool look. Press G on your keyboard. Fill background by using the bucket tool. Create color gradient from blending option just like I did. To create this golden strip, take a new layer. Press P on your keyboard to create strip by using pen tool. This might be hard to use pen tool at the beginning. Let's use this color palette. Take a new layer and create clipping mask. Press B to use brush tool. Use darker color for shadows and light color for highlights. To create this marble balls, take a circle. Create clipping mask on this shape. Use dark and light colors to make it more realistic. Fill the circle whatever color you want. I'm using this colors. At the end, I'm using this Nike logo on this poster to look more professional. Hope you liked the video and don't forget subscribe to channel. See you guys in the next tutorial video.